Looking on how to make crispy turnip fries in the air fryer? Well, in this video, I bring you the step-by-step recipe on perfecting crispy turnip fries in the air fryer. And guess what, gang? It's keto, low carb, and AIP. Coming up. Well, hey y'all, I'm Shelly. I'm a keto and anti-inflammatory dietitian, penny pincher, clinic owner, busy mom of two, and I'm super passionate about helping women lose weight, whittle their waistline, balance out their hormones, eliminate pain and migraines without busting their time, budget, or waistline while keeping your family happy and healthy. Welcome to our channel, which is the KLA Kitchen, where we bring you great recipes, product reviews, kitchen tips that will help you achieve those goals one bite at a time. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. I have absolutely found your French fry replacer. Our air fryer turnip fries, absolutely amazing, crispy, coming in at 4.5 grams of carbs, an amazing dose of vitamin C, with our fast food medium French fry coming in at disgustingness.
What? No.
I mean, really. 49 grams of carbs, that's more than 3 slices of bread, and a half a cup of Hershey syrup. Nothing is worse than a soft French fry. I love them crispy, and comment below with the word crispy if you're just like me and love a crispy French fry, and I'll tell you how we get that crisp. Now, ingredients make this dish. We have 2 turnips, a teaspoon of our Redmond sea salt, 2 teaspoons of our olive oil. We're gonna cut our turnip into our little shoestring fries, combine it with a little bit of our salt and our olive oil. We're gonna throw it in the air fryer and cook it for a total of 25 minutes at 360. Using a vegetable peeler, peel our turnips and cut into small sticks. Turnips are an amazing source of vitamin C, and I'm super jazzed that turnips are not a nightshade and fit into our AIP paleo plans. Gang, and here's the secret to that amazing crunch. We don't want to overdo our fat. We are adding olive oil to this, and while we love fat on our keto plans, too much of this fat in this recipe will make our turnip fries soggy. Comment below if you love a crispy fry, and I want you to write the words crispy. Remember, olive oil is an amazing source of our monounsaturated fat. It's great for our heart, and we're giving this a good toss to make sure the sticks are covered and coated in our oil. We're sprinkling with our Redmond salt. The salt has such an amazing flavor. It's great for anti-inflammatory plans. And remember, gang, we don't need a lot of this product to get amazing flavor. My tip, your recipes with salt, just use half the amount. So if it calls for a teaspoon of salt, use, guess what, half a teaspoon. Our crispy turnip fries are right out the air fryer. They are super hot. And gang, it's time to taste these bad boys.
Yeah.
I promise I'm getting just a little bit of that salt. So good. These are gonna replace your French fries. Now, I love to cook them a little bit longer. You can definitely go more the 20-minute route. And again, I just use the Redmond salt. So if you wanna add your own spices, I have to take a bite. Oh, hot. Definitely go for it. So question of the day, gang, is have you ever had turnip fries? If so, comment below. And then I want you to comment below with your favorite way to have turnips. And I promise this will become a staple in your keto, low carb, and anti-inflammatory kitchen. Now, if you love this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it on your social media, tag somebody who is following a keto, low carb, and anti-inflammatory lifestyle. And gang, because you watch this video, I know that you are gonna watch this entire playlist of delicious keto vegetables that you can make right in your air fryer. I'm Shelly, gang. I wish you an amazing day.